Hey everybody, what's up? Yes, I know I'm in a car because it's still August and it's hot. And hey, I've been invited to a launch of a brand new TVS electric bike. That's all I know. And I'm headed to the Address Hotel Fountain View. So let's go check this out.
The world's fastest growing large economy and the largest two-wheeler market in the world. It's a country where anything is possible, as you saw today, including landing on the moon.
Another round of applause, the TVS X. You will be seeing a lot more of that a little bit later.
Surprised to see me here on the 148th floor of Burj Khalifa. Well, today is the day of surprises. Let's see how the world looks from the top here. A warm welcome to all of you, and thank you for being here with us today. We are here to present to you something that is going to redefine your perception of what a two-wheeler is capable of. It is a machine that is engineered and designed from the ground up to give you the best-in-class performance.
I am honored to introduce you to an engineering marvel and a pure feat of futuristic design, the TVS X.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Now, something you don't usually see on any scooter or bike or anything is a TFT screen in which you can watch YouTube. You can watch reels on YouTube on this thing. I wouldn't recommend it though. Okay, don't do it at the traffic signals. But hey, that's something you can do. So this is the TVS X that has launched. It was one of the best launches I've seen so far. I'm sure one of the best you guys have seen so far as well. So thanks for watching, you guys. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.